Hello, everyone. Today I'm sharing with you a very interesting software or tool we developed. And the name of that software or tool is the ExpressionProfiler. It's a comprehensive pipeline which uses the genomic information or transcriptomic information and gives you a detailed, annotated information about all those genomic and transcriptomic data and also what are the functions of it. And the software is actually divided into two main you can say classes. One is that we can use any gene name and search it, and but if we just type the gene name, it will give you all the information which is present on ensemble of that gene. Also, we have used uniprot information for gene ontology annotations. Also, we have used the string db to find the protein interactions with that gene, and also it will also give the top or the most all the pathways in which that particular gene is involved. And along with that, the interesting thing is that it also gives you about the names of the drugs which are actually targeting that gene. So this type of information is interesting because it is under one platform, but we also give another feature which makes it a standout. There are very few tools available for that, and we have tried to add a lot of value into our software which is not available in the previous softwares. That is that if we have a transcriptomic data, be it from the RNA sequencing data, or it's a microarray data, or it's qPCR data, we can input that transcriptomic expression information into a database or in our tool, and it will pre-process the file and it will annotate it by the gene names. So for now, it is only for the humans. So it's very easy to make it for other species as well. So if you need it in other species, we can build it for you. Also, after pre-processing, it gives you, for example, if we have a file which has 1000 genes and differentially expressed genes, and we want to see that out of 1000 differentially expressed genes, what pathways they are involved in. So it will give you a list of KEGG pathway database from the KEGG pathway database, that out of all the out of all 1000 genes, how many genes are involved in which pathway, and how many genes are involved in each pathway. And also along with that, it also gives you a heat map, and that heat map will give you a very broader picture about, like, in one pathway how many genes and how many genes are involved in multiple pathways. So it gives a very comprehensive overview, and we can select our gene of interest using that information. Along with that, using those, for instance, 1000 genes, it also gives you the number of networks they are involved in, and how all of these significant molecules are connected with each other using the string database. The one thing which stands out with from the other databases or tools is that it also gives you the drugs, that which drugs are targeting which genes out of all the significant 1000 genes. So the great thing about this tool is that under one roof or under one umbrella or under one platform, you can see, you can annotate, or you can functionally categorize all the differentially expressed genes you have found. So let's go through the demo.